All right, episode 3. So I had an idea. Some of you guys may have already figured it out, but I should be able to do this no problem. As soon as I start the timer, I'll create like you should be able to go to the bottom of the video and kind of scroll and see. But I'll create a chapter just for that 5 minutes because sometimes I'll talk in the beginning like right now and I'll talk to the end. If you go to that chapter in the description or even underneath the video and you click on the title of the chapter, you should be able to just press a rewind button. So literally you'll like just get me starting and me ending the timer and you can have that on repeat. So if you're someone that's like, I just want to keep doing this. I just want to stay on this episode for a while. And I like that idea that he made. So let's go ahead and stick with that. Then you can just repeat the chapter. And maybe I'll go ahead and record my screen for a second and put it in here so you can see me do it, or all this stuff. But having a practice pad and sticks, that's an easy, cheap right now. So now we're into the daily 5, the 5 part of the daily 5. And so we're going to start playing. I have this thing called a metronome. Don't worry about it too much. I'm going to play this to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now. So now we're into the daily 5, the 5 part of the daily 5. And so we're going to, just in case you're confused, because honestly, that's such a big brain thing. it's such a big thing you could do that would be so helpful. So you can create this daily 5 into a daily 20 or daily 25 and just rep it over and over and over and over and just get really good. All right. So I did promise an exercise, like our actual first exercise in this episode. I combined it, I said exercise. All right. So like that thing I said, there's gonna be a chapter and I'm starting it in 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. All right, let's do this thing. So we have an exercise that we're doing and start with the metronome. And I love this exercise. It's called tap pyramid. It's very simple at first, but it's very good on building your hands. The idea is that you start with 8. So you have 8 on your right hand, 8 on your left hand. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because I end with 8, I'm ending down. So you have these full strokes, the ones that come back up, and then you have a downstroke that you're ending on. Very important. And then you do 7. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. When you do 1, I just do downstrokes because it's the first and last. 1, 1. Then you go back up. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so on. Sorry, I kind of got like just in the flow there. All right, let's try it from the top and work our way down and then up. 1, 2, ready, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Down, down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, not bad. So just 6 down, relax for a second. We're gonna try it again. Shake it off. All right, let's go and try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. 7. 3, 4, 5. 'There you go. You're gonna make it? Close. 3, 4, 5. There you go. 3 seconds left, and we are. It's our 5 minutes, and this should be on the other side of the chapter marker. And this way, if you just want to keep watching and hear me talk for a little bit at the beginning and end, you can, or you just loop that thing and know, okay, you're done with the video. Some quick thoughts though, because ideally, I don't want to just play. I also want to teach you, like let you know things. Stay very relaxed as you go. It's very common for people to start taking fingers off. If you take your fingers off, then you're actually losing control. It may feel like you're relaxed because now the stick moves more because you don't have your fingers on the stick. But the idea is that you still make sure that you have control. So everything's still on the stick and you're staying relaxed moving from your wrist. One thing you can do is kind of just do this. Like honestly, if you don't even have a pad, or if you're not around your pad and you just take your lap and you just do this, like take it in this shape, just kind of hold it like the shape of a stick and just knock down. That's the motion that happens. So if you just knock a lot, and that's going to help you develop that idea of a knocking motion, then when you use your stick, you have that knock already there. Awesome. That's episode 3, and I'll see you in the next one.